Do that again, Graham. Skippy thingy.
And they say not to run with the scissors. They didn't say anyone jumping.
Very true. Just try not to cut ourselves. Or anyone else. Yes.
That's how a man does it.
That's how someone with little patience does it.
Patience is a virtue, except not now.
No, just not one of yours.
So, ugh.
Don't get it caught in your beard. And don't cut the wires of the
No, that would probably
lights.
get me electrocuted.
Yeah, and then Mom will go after you afterwards.
How dare you die, you disrespectful little bastard!
Oh boy.
Did I say you could die? Did I? Did I?
And you owe me another pair of lights?
You'd better come back and haunt this house or you're in deep trouble.
My Sims characters never had trouble with that.
Hmm?
My Sims characters never had trouble with that.
Good for them. Ooh, missing piece.
It doesn't show up on the camera. If it's any consolation.
Oh.
Whoa.
Missed it. Nice try.
Ha. That's what I'm here for.
Yeah, to catch all of this in all of its glory for eternity.